The NATURE EXC Allroad is an all-season, all-weather bike that's designed to inspire you to get out and ride, whatever the conditions. After all, a rainy commute in November can define two-wheeled freedom just as well as a weekend ride that finishes at sunset on a balmy summer evening. Don't believe us? Check out the comfort-enhancing Suntour suspension fork, the full-length mudguards with integrated rear light and the smooth, powerful hydraulic disc brakes. The frame borrows features like internal cable routing, weight-saving double-butted tubing and Rillink carrier compatibility from our higher-end bikes and, of course, it's passed our in-house safety tests in our purpose-built lab with flying colors, so you can rest assured that it's strong, safe and durable. Add the slick precision and superior reliability of Shimano's 10-speed transmission, there's really no reason not to ride.